choosing the right diaper is important for every parent. Diapers are used daily, so your choice affects your baby's comfort, your budget, and the environment. Here are the differences between cloth and disposable diapers in simple words, so you can decide what works best for you and your baby. Cloth diapers are made from natural fabrics such as cotton, bamboo, or microfiber, making them soft and gentle on a baby's skin. In contrast, disposable diapers are constructed from plastics, absorbent gels, and synthetic fibers, which can sometimes feel less soft due to the chemical treatments and plastic layers used. Disposable diapers absorb liquid faster and hold more, keeping the baby dry longer. Cloth diapers absorb less and may need to be changed more often. Cloth diapers allow more air to pass through, reducing heat and sweating. Disposables trap heat because of their plastic outer layer. Cloth is less likely to cause rashes or allergic reactions since it is natural. They also save money in the long run since they can be washed and reused many times. Disposable diapers sometimes cause rashes due to chemicals, fragrances, or dyes. They are more expensive overall since you have to keep buying new packs. Cloth diapers need washing, drying, and folding after every use. They take more effort, especially when you are away from home. Disposable diapers are single-use, so you can just throw them away. They are easier to use for travel, daycare, and nighttime. Cloth diapers are reusable and produce less waste in landfills. They often come with adjustable snaps or Velcro, allowing one size to fit your baby for a longer period of time. Disposable diapers take hundreds of years to decompose and contribute significantly to environmental waste. They are sold in different sizes, so you need to buy larger ones as your baby grows. Disposable diapers usually provide stronger leak protection, especially overnight. They are thinner and fit easily under most clothes. Cloth diapers may leak if not changed often, or if not fitted properly. They are bulkier and make the baby's clothes fit tighter. Disposables have chemicals that reduce odors. They are sold everywhere in stores and online. Cloth diapers do not have odor control, so you may notice smells sooner. They may be harder to find and usually need to be ordered from specialty shops. Cloth diapers are soft, reusable, and eco-friendly, but they require more effort and washing. Disposable diapers are convenient, highly absorbent, and easy to use, but they cost more in the long run and create a bigger impact on the environment. The best choice depends on your lifestyle, budget, and what feels right for your baby.